Hey there, and welcome to History Love, the place where we make history as exciting and easy to understand as possible. Whether you're a history buff or just curious about the past, you've come to the right spot. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating history of the United States, from the earliest explorers to the founding fathers, and all the way to modern times. We've got it all covered. Ready to embark on a fun and informative journey? Let's get started. Before the United States, the pre-colonial era, long before the United States existed, the land was inhabited by diverse Native American tribes, who lived in harmony with nature for thousands of years. These tribes had their own distinct cultures, languages, and traditions. From the Iroquois Confederacy in the Northeast to the Apache in the Southwest, these indigenous peoples developed complex societies. Then, in 1492, Christopher Columbus arrived in the Caribbean, mistakenly thinking he had reached Asia. This marked the beginning of European exploration of the Americas. Soon after, other Europeans, notably the Spanish, French, Dutch, and English, came seeking land, riches, and a foothold in the New World. Colonization and early conflicts. 1607 to 1776. In 1607, the English established their first permanent colony in Jamestown, Virginia. More English settlers followed, founding colonies along the East Coast. The Pilgrims, seeking religious freedom, landed at Plymouth Rock in 1620, leading to the establishment of Plymouth Colony. As time went on, more colonies sprouted up, with settlers relying on agriculture and trade for their livelihoods. But tensions began to rise as the British government imposed taxes on the colonies, like the infamous Stamp Act, 1765, and later the Tea Act, which led to the Boston Tea Party in 1773. By the mid-1770s, the colonists were fed up with British rule, leading to the outbreak of the American Revolution in 1775. In 1776, the Continental Congress adopted the Declaration of Independence. Written by Thomas Jefferson, the United States was born. But the real work was just beginning. The American Revolution, 1775 to 1783. The Revolution was a long and hard-fought struggle. The Continental Army, led by General George Washington, faced off against the might of the British Empire. The war wasn't just fought with weapons. Ideas of freedom, democracy, and liberty also played a crucial role. In 1781, after several key victories and crucial assistance from France, the Americans won a decisive victory at Yorktown. The Treaty of Paris, 1783, officially recognized the United States as an independent country. The victory was not just military but also ideological, showing that a fledgling nation could challenge the world's greatest empire. The formation of a new nation, 1783 to 1800. After gaining independence, the new nation had to figure out how to govern itself. The Articles of Confederation were the first attempt, but they proved too weak. So, in 1787, the Constitutional Convention was convened, and the U.S. Constitution was created. It established a federal government with three branches: legislative, executive, and judicial. George Washington became the first president of the United States in 1789, setting important precedents, including the idea of a peaceful transfer of power after each election. The Bill of Rights, which protected individual freedoms like freedom of speech and religion, was added in 1791. Expansion and the road to division, 1800 to 1861. The 19th century saw rapid growth. The idea of manifest destiny, the belief that the United States was destined to expand across the continent, was widely embraced. This led to the Louisiana Purchase in 1803, which doubled the size of the country. The Lewis and Clark Expedition, 1804 to 1806, explored the newly acquired land, mapping out routes and establishing relationships with Native American tribes. But expansion brought tension, especially over the issue of slavery. As new states joined the Union, there was a battle over whether they would be free or slave states. This tension led to the outbreak of the Civil War in 1861 after the election of Abraham Lincoln. The Civil War and Reconstruction, 1861 to 1877. The Civil War was one of the bloodiest conflicts in American history. The Southern states, which relied on slavery for their economy, seceded from the Union and formed the Confederacy. The North, led by President Abraham Lincoln, fought to preserve the Union and end slavery. The war lasted from 1861 to 1865 and saw devastating battles like Gettysburg and Antietam. In 1863, Lincoln issued the Emancipation Proclamation, which declared that all slaves in Confederate states were free. After the Union's victory, slavery was formally abolished by the 13th Amendment in 1865. However, the post-war period, known as Reconstruction, was fraught with challenges. The South was devastated, and former slaves faced discrimination and violence. The Reconstruction period lasted until 1877, but the racial divide would continue for many years. Industrialization and the Gilded Age, 1865 to 1900. Following the Civil War, the U.S. entered a period of rapid industrialization. The rise of factories, railroads, and innovations like the telegraph and electricity transformed the country. Cities grew, and the nation became a global economic power. However, this period, known as the Gilded Age, was also marked by corruption, inequality, and labor unrest. While some became incredibly wealthy, many working-class Americans lived in poor conditions. The push for reforms grew as labor unions and progressive movements emerged to address the needs of the working class. The Progressive Era and World War I, 1900 to 1918. By the early 20th century, the United States had become a world power. The Progressive Era sought to address issues of inequality, with leaders like Theodore Roosevelt pushing for trust-busting, breaking up monopolies, and labor reforms. In 1914, the country was pulled into World War I, where American troops helped tip the balance in favor of the Allies. The war ended in 1918, but the 1920s would usher in a new era, one of excess, jazz, and the Roaring Twenties. However, this period would be followed by the Great Depression. The Great Depression and World War II, 1929 to 1945. The Great Depression began in 1929 with the stock market crash, sending millions of Americans into poverty. President Franklin D. Roosevelt implemented the New Deal, a series of programs designed to help the country recover. The U.S. also began to prepare for war, as tensions built up in Europe and Asia. In 1941, after the attack on Pearl Harbor, the United States entered World War II. The war brought about significant economic and social change, with women entering the workforce in large numbers and African Americans pushing for civil rights. After the war, the United States emerged as the world's leading superpower. The Cold War, 1947 to 1991. The post-World War II era was marked by the Cold War, a period of ideological conflict between the United States and the Soviet Union. This led to a series of proxy wars, including the Korean War and the Vietnam War, as both superpowers vied for global influence. Domestically, the civil rights movement sought to end segregation and secure equal rights for African Americans. Landmark events like the March on Washington and the passing of the Civil Rights Act of 1964 marked important milestones in the struggle for equality. Modern America. 1991 present. With the fall of the Soviet Union in 1991, the U.S. was the undisputed global superpower. The 21st century has brought new challenges, such as the September 11 attacks in 2001, which led to the War on Terror and the wars in Afghanistan and Iraq. The country has also grappled with economic recessions, political polarization, and debates over healthcare, immigration, and climate change. Despite these challenges, the United States remains a world leader in many areas, including technology, culture, and innovation. Its history is a tapestry of triumphs, struggles, and constant evolution, a nation that continues to shape the world. Wow, we've covered a lot today, haven't we? The history of the United States is filled with triumphs, struggles, and moments that changed the world. And as we've learned, the past has so much to teach us about the present and the future. Thank you so much for watching and being part of History Love. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And remember, history is everywhere. Let's keep learning, exploring, and loving the past together.